Welcome to Runwill Educate channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. VLOOKUP function in Excel is a tool for looking up some information in a particular table or in a data set and extracting corresponding information from another table or column or cell. In simple terms, the VLOOKUP function says, look for the piece of information in a specific data and tell me some corresponding information about it. VLOOKUP function has 4 parameters or arguments. First parameter, lookup value. Lookup value specifies the value that we want to look up in the first column of a table. Second argument, that is table array. Table array is the data array that is to be searched. The VLOOKUP function searches in the leftmost column of this array. Third argument, column index number. This is an integer specifying the column number of the supplied table array that you want to return a value from. And the last argument, range lookup. This defines what this function should return in the event that it does not find an exact match to the lookup value. The argument can be set to true or false, which means true approximate match, false exact match. Now let's learn this formula with an example. In this example, I have 2 sheets. One is sales, another one is unit price. So in sales, I have each salesperson wise how much sales, how much quantity I sold each item. So I want to get the unit price in order to find out total sale value. Now, since the unit price in second sheet, I want to bring that unit price in this D column so that I can find out total sales. For this example, to find out the unit price, I am going to use VLOOKUP function. Equal VLOOKUP, it will show here in the function. Double click, then it will open up the bracket, the first parameter. What I want to look up, the lookup value, that is the pencil. Where I want to look up this value? In the second sheet, the pencil, and to what extent? Because I need to get the unit price which is in the second column of the second sheet. So I want to select the from column A to column B, and I will select this entire range. Then I will give third argument, that is the column index number. Now in this example, the I am looking the value in the second row. So column index number should be 2 and the last argument is true or false. So here itself it shows true means approximate match and false means exact match. So I want to get the exact match. So I will give as 0. 0 in computer language means false, true means 1. So I can write false or I can enter as 0. Then close the bracket, enter. See, I got the price of pencil. Similarly, I want to get the unit price for all the items. The same example, I'm not going to write it again. Instead, what I will do, I will drag this formula to down. So I got the unit price of all the 5 items from the second sheet. After this, I can calculate what is my sale value. So units multiply into unit price is equal to sale value. And again I will drag this formula. So thus I can get all the items sale value. How much total sales we did in a particular item. Now, VLOOKUP, it's really helps in many ways. But there is always one drawback in VLOOKUP. You can search the value only from right side. Example, I am looking for the value in the second sheet from right side. So my item is pencil. I am searching the value in the right side. I cannot search the value. Example, if I insert one more column, then my item in the pencil, a pencil item in second column, I cannot search same item in column A. So VLOOKUP is not working to search specific information in left columns. It should be always from left to right and not from right to left. This is the video specially created for you to learn more about VLOOKUP. If you really enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video to your friends, like this video, write a nice comment about this video so that I can create more and more knowledgeable videos for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.